Hi everyone, welcome to my new nighttime cleaning. This is Ala from Ala Loves and it's gonna be a relaxing clean with me after dark. And I hope this will give you a ton of weekend speed cleaning motivation. It was Sunday night and I was cleaning after my husband cooked the dinner for us, and that was a really lovely evening, and you can see the result. But I still wanted to have a nice Monday morning, so that is why I invite you to do this after dark clean with me in my kitchen. I started to clean at 8:30 and it took me 1 hour to clean, and this is kind of pretty late for me because I prefer to have chilling evenings. So I will try to make this cleaning as much relaxing as possible. I turn on some nice music and make me a nice coffee, and I also like to open the door so that I have the fresh air coming in. Also, to motivate myself a little bit more, I follow my own tips and I start with the easiest task, which is to start the dishwasher first. By the way, if you have missed my previous video about easy ways to get motivation to clean, I will leave you the link below, so be sure to check it later. I like to optimize my cleaning process and kind of save my energy, so I go on and take away everything what does not belong to kitchen, and this gives me a feeling that a part of cleaning is already done, and because then I am able to see the countertop again, I feel very much motivated. And I hope, guys, that you can also do your cleaning with me today. Just check your to-do list and be sure to find there some task for 15 minutes. Grab your favorite detergent and just go on and clean with me today. But if you don't want to do anything right now, it is also a very good idea. Just listen to some nice music, make a break, relax, and I'm pretty sure that this will help you to achieve even more later. As soon as surfaces are clean, I need to tidy up the floors, but my kids are in bed and I don't want and I don't like to disturb them, so I postpone vacuuming for tomorrow. And I just do sweep the floors, and that is all. It is getting late and I need to sleep at night, and this is a very important thing I learned from being a mom for 4 years already. And the skill of effecting prioritizing, I highly recommend to everyone. I hope guys you like this video and also managed to do something with me today. Please be sure to check this video on the right, just click here. This is the video about my tips to get motivation, and just be safe, enjoy your day, and I will see you again next week. Bye bye.